Explorer quiz. Can you name these rare creatures? 10 rare creatures, real photos. You'll get 10 seconds to guess each one. So, how many do you actually know? Here's how it works. A real photo, 10 seconds on the clock, 4 multiple choice options, and a fun fact after every reveal. Let's find out how much of a wildlife explorer you really are. Starting in a moment. Question 1. What creature is this? 10 seconds. Make your guess. Is it a horseshoe crab, a coconut crab, a spider crab, or a mantis shrimp? The answer is the coconut crab. Here's a wild fact. The coconut crab is the world's largest land invertebrate. Its claws are so powerful, it can actually crack open a real coconut. You'll find it on islands across the Indian and Pacific Oceans. Question 2. What creature is this? 10 seconds on the clock. Is it a mud puppy, a water dragon, an axolotl, or an ohm? The answer is the axolotl. Get this, the axolotl never grows up. It keeps its feathery gills for its entire life, and it can fully regrow its own limbs. You'll find these amazing amphibians in the lakes of Mexico City, Mexico. Question 3. What creature is this? 10 seconds. Lock in your answer. Weedy sea dragon, leafy sea dragon, pipefish, or seahorse? The answer is the weedy sea dragon. Here's the fun fact. The weedy sea dragon drifts through the water looking just like floating seaweed. It has no teeth at all and sucks up its food through its long snout. Look for it along the southern coast of Australia. Question 4. What creature is this? 10 seconds to guess. Tree frog, poison dart frog, rain frog, or glass frog? The answer is the glass frog. Check this out. The glass frog has a completely see-through belly. You can literally watch its heart beating through its skin. It lives in the rainforests of Central and South America. Question 5. What creature is this? 10 seconds. What's your guess? Pangolin, Pink Fairy Armadillo, hedgehog, or tenrec? The answer is the Pink Fairy Armadillo. Here's a tiny fact. This little creature is only 10 centimeters long, making it the world's tiniest armadillo, and it can vanish underground in seconds. It's found in central Argentina. Question 6. What creature is this? 10 seconds on the clock. Thorny dragon, horned lizard, frilled dragon, or bearded dragon? The answer is the thorny dragon. Here's something wild. The thorny dragon drinks through its own skin. Tiny grooves between its spines channel rainwater straight to its mouth. You'll find it in the deserts of Australia. Question 7. What creature is this? 10 seconds. Make your guess. Giant squid, firefly squid, vampire squid, or bobtail squid? The answer is The vampire squid. Despite the scary name, the vampire squid doesn't drink blood at all. It drifts in the deep ocean, feeding on tiny floating particles. It lives in deep oceans all around the world. Question 8. What creature is this? 10 seconds to lock it in. Anglerfish, coffinfish, snailfish, or blobfish? The answer is the blobfish. Here's the twist. The blobfish only looks blobby out of water. In its deep ocean home, the pressure actually keeps it looking like a totally normal fish. It lives in deep waters of Australia and New Zealand. Question 9. What creature is this? 10 seconds. What do you think? Mimic octopus, blue-ringed octopus, coconut octopus, or day octopus? This one's incredible. The mimic octopus can copy the look of 15 different animals, including lionfish, flatfish, and sea snakes, to full predators. Find it in the Indo-Pacific, around Indonesia. Question 10, our final round. What creature is this? 10 seconds left. Vampire squid, flapjack octopus, Dumbo octopus, or firefly squid? The answer is the Dumbo octopus. And here's the last fun fact. The Dumbo octopus flaps its ear-like fins to swim, just like the Disney elephant. It lives deeper than almost any other octopus in deep oceans worldwide. Quiz complete. So, how many did you actually know? Drop your score in the comments. Be honest. If you got all 10, you are a true wildlife explorer. Subscribe for the next challenge. There's so much more where that came from.